This class is based on sonnet or ode practice test. Very important test is conducted here. So once you watch or listen one or twice, then a few minutes I will give the time. Next, I will say the answer. Let us start. First one is, a Shakespearean sonnet has two parts. The first has dash lines and the second part has dash lines. The question is, the Shakespearean sonnet has two parts. We know that. The first part is how many lines which have, and the second part is how many lines. So here are options. First part, either 10 or 4. Option number 2, either 8 or 6. Option number 3, 12 or 2. Option number 4, 6 or 8. Right. So the answer is third one. Okay. This one is, first part has a 12 lines. Second part is couplet, 2 lines. Next. Second one. Let us see that. What is second one? The second part Shakespearean sonnet, it is called. The second part Shakespearean sonnet, it is called. First one is hexagon. Second one is triplet. Third one is sestet. Fourth one is couplet. What is second one? Can you guess? Okay. The answer is couplet. Answer is couplet. Okay, very important. This thing we should remember. Next. Third one is, Shakespeare wrote dash sonnets. How many sonnets are written by Shakespeare? Can you guess? 120, 154, 24, 164. What is the answer here? Right. Very nice. So, he has written 154 sonnets. 154 sonnets he has written. Okay, fine. Next. Milton wrote dash sonnets. Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets. Milton wrote how many sonnets? 20, 32, 24, 28. How many sonnets are written by Milton? Right. 28 sonnets he has written. Next one. A Petrarchan sonnet has two parts. Petrarchan sonnet has two parts. What are the two parts here? Octave and sestet. Octavius and Paris. And Petrarchus and Sion. Octopus and quatrains. What are three? Right, very good. What are that? Octave and sestet. Okay. So, this one important thing. Right? The answer is octave and sestet. Let us see that. Answer is octave and sestet. Next. Shakespeare has, what is the next one? Sixth one. Shakespeare has immortalized his love for his dash in his sonnets. So, what is that? Answer, can you guess? Immortalize. Very good. That answer is dark lady. Dark lady. Let us see next one. They also saw who can stand and wait. Name the sonnet from which this line has been taken. What is answer here? Yes. Answer is on his blindness. On his blindness. Next one. Name the poet who paid a tribute to Napoleon in an word. In an word. Can you guess the answer? Byron. Byron. Right? Next. Who wrote and wrote himself? Who wrote this one? Very good. Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson. Last one. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Name the word of this line. Which is this line here? Which one is word to the west wind? Word to the west wind. The answer is word to the west wind. So guys, all these are things we should remember. Okay, next test I will share with you next video. Thank you one and all.